Very good morning, students. Today we are going to revise 7th lesson of history, that is tribes, nomads and the settled communities. So our lesson, tribes, nomads and settled communities. Please take page number 91 of your textbook and go through what we are going to discuss. First one, the introduction part, we can see that one. Kingdoms, and they are having, and each and every cities or the craft people, they flourished in different areas. Even villages, slowly it is developed in the form of cities that we have seen last lesson. Then these cities or the villages, they had a community with Varna system or caste based society. What type society? Caste based society. So when we are thinking about tribals, first we want to understand who are tribes or what is their speciality. So here you can see that one, who lived beyond the city. They are living beyond the cities and not having the difference. They did not follow the rule, social rule. What type of social? Related to the Varna system, and that is prescribed by whom? Rules and rituals, social rules and rituals prescribed by Brahmins. They never followed the system. Which system? Social rules and rituals prescribed by Brahmins. Like that people we used to call, or we are calling them as tribes in our textbook, who lived beyond the cities. They are not living in the cities, or they are far away. We can see next sentence, usually lived in forest, hills, desert and the places difficult to reach. Common people can't reach, like that places they used to live. So the tribes who lived beyond the cities, they never followed the social rules and rituals given by Brahmins. Then they was living far away from the main city. They used to live forest, hills, desert and the places where the common people can't reach. Then even though they was living away from, but they had a good relation, or they was depending on each other. That you can see it page number 92. We had many tribes. We are having the caste with the third paragraph. But the caste based and the tribal societies also depend on each other. We was depending on each other or had a good relationship. We had good relation with whom? Tribes as well as the mainstream of the society, or caste based society. This relationship of conflicts and dependence gradually caused both societies to change. We had good relation, and in that we can see conflicts also, dependency also, both the type. Relation means it may be conflicts will be there, doubts will be there, clashes will be there, then dependency will be there, trust will be there, everything was there in that relationship. So gradually what happened? Society changed in both societies, not only tribal societies as well as this what we can say, the big city life or the caste based society also had the what we can say, the change in themselves, both societies, tribal groups as well as caste based society. So the next topic it is, who were tribal people, that we will continue with next video.